Well, you came to the right place. All you need is $280,000 in game cash. You will be able to drift today. First of all, to get money is really easy. You can do daily tasks, parking levels, or get gift boxes. For the car, we're going to use the 240SX. The chassis is great and the engine have enough power. To drift, we need three things: enough power to make the tires lose traction, enough steering angle to control the drift, and finally, a locked differential, so the wheels get the same power all the time. So all we're gonna buy is a locked differential. That's it. No need for any other expensive stuff. So two things is done since the stock power is enough. Now we're gonna add angle. Not necessarily 70 degrees. Real drifting only needs more than 45 degrees. Also add max caster for more control. That's it. Tuning is basically done. Now we're going to apply off-road tires because they are much smoother and beginner-friendly. They look ugly, but we all start somewhere. You can add spacers for more fitment, but we're going to try keep everything as stock as possible. And that's it. Let's try it. Before you drift, there is some important settings. I use tilt with 0 sensitivity, but you can use anything you want. Put the handbrake in a comfortable place so you don't miss it. And lastly, turn off TCS and ESP. They are made to stabilize the car, and we want to do the opposite. Now put it on second gear and handbrake while accelerating to rev it. To drift, steer in the direction you want to go, and then counter steer. Use handbrake when transitioning to stay smooth, and accelerate in last second to keep the engine revving. Watch your speed, though. The camera I use is third because it's more controllable, and you basically done. Good car doesn't mean good driver, so practice a lot to become professional drifter in no time. You can practice in Tuge or City 1 drift track. The entrance is beside this gas station near the supermarket. It's big and wide, and there is a lot of room to miss up and learn. The more angle you get, the more you counter steer to not wash out mid-corner. And most importantly, we all fail. Just never give up. Hope you find this video useful. I'm going to get more cheaper builds for all the starters out there. Remember, practice makes perfection. See you in the next video.